Today we are going to be talking about something that I know is on a lot of your minds: how to make money online by reading emails. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or a stay-at-home parent wanting to supplement your family's income, I'm here to help. In this video, we're going to be exploring some of the best way to make money online, just reading emails. You don't have to do any hard work. In fact, your every tap will make money. This method is super simple, and even a kid can do this. And the good thing about this website is you can withdraw money every day you earn. Welcome to another video on the Money Access YouTube channel. We help regular people make money online using simple strategies and tools. I think it will help them a lot in their day-to-day life. Before we go to the video, make sure subscribe to channel and like the video. Also don't forget to comment below your thoughts. I recommend to you, watch the complete video till the end, to make sure that you would end up your day counting dollars. Let's go to the video. Firstly, we want to visit voludic.com. Open the link and you can directly jump on the website without any problem. Earn money by reading emails. As is started on their homepage. This website will compensate you for nothing more than opening and reading emails. And you receive between 10 cents and 20 cents for each email. Therefore, you can easily make up to $2 for 10 emails. When you slightly scroll down, you can see here it says, earn money by reading email wherever you are. You can make money by reading and opening emails from any device. PC, tablet or smartphone, regardless of where you are. This approach is totally free and accessible to everyone. The only thing left to do is register for an account on this website. You can accomplish it by simply clicking this register button here. After that, you will be brought to this page to complete this simple questions. Here, you need to enter your username, your email address, and your password. You can leave the refer field empty. However, it will be preferable if you know of a friend or someone else who uses this website. So you can become their referral by doing this. You will enable them to receive more payment from you. The best part is that once you sign up, you can also do this with other people. Then, after reading their terms of service and privacy, notice just check the first two boxes. Just be careful not to tick the last box, as you probably don't want to get daily spam emails from this website. Simply click this register button after that. An email for activation will follow. Simply open the email and click the activation link to get started. You'll receive a message right away with information on how to add this email address to your contact list. You must do this in order to increase your earnings from this site and receive more emails. You don't need to worry. I'll teach you how to build a filter. Simply click on the three dots after selecting the filter messages you want to use. Then, click Create Filter after selecting Started. Never send it to spam, primary category, and apply filter to matching conversations. After that, choose this email address by clicking on Contacts right here. And then click Add to Contacts. There you have it. You'll now begin receiving daily emails from this website. Your only responsibility is to click on the various promotional links contained in each of these emails in order to earn money. Since you can open these emails from your phone or laptop, you can make money anywhere you are. Your task is to simply click on the promotional links contained in each of these emails in order to earn money. The payment for each link you click will vary depending on the country you are from and the website that is being advertised. Pay differentials between residents of industrialized and developing nations are constant. You can choose to pay with a credit card, PayPal, or a debit card. This is the easiest way to make money online, as you have seen in this video. From everything that has been said, you will be aware that bringing in cash online is extremely simple. You simply need to follow right data, and you will rack in heaps of cash day to day without stress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on that notification button, so that you will get the latest money-making tips next time I post a video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.